Usually we start our videos with a presentation of us driving up the road. Oftentimes it's raining. And usually there's a quick picture of Monty and I sitting in the truck as we depart our home base, as we head to our destination. This is a little different. This is actually a video of the roadway leading up to the campground Mountain Stream RV Park. When the sign says 20 miles an hour, if you're in a four-wheel vehicle, it means 20 miles an hour. Two-wheeler might be able to go a little faster, but four-wheeler can't stay on the pavement if you go too fast. We stayed in the RV park and really enjoyed it. It was such a beautiful place, but I do say was because it was one of the many places that was destroyed by the flooding as a result of the remnants of Hurricane Helene in western North Carolina. If you want to watch the video that I produced, kind of a before and after of the campground, that shows a little bit of the campground while we were staying there, as well as some remnants of what was left after the floodwaters had basically washed the entire campground away. But as I say, this was the fairly narrow road on the way into the campground. Oh, and on this particular drive, our travels were fueled by Bucky's beaver nuggets.
Oh, great.
I think I still have some stuck in my teeth.
All right, this is our view for the weekend. Not sure where we're going to park the truck, but yeah, I don't know what you're going to do.
I guess a little bit diagonal like this.
I guess. These are some tight spaces. It's a pretty view, but tight spaces.
All right.
Yeah, it's a little tight squeeze.
Another successful drive in. River, mountain stream, whatever it is.
Mountain stream, yeah.
Ice cold. Bush.
What are we making?
Cheese.
Cheese bread.
Cheese bread.
One of our favorites. From Aldi.
Something like that. And then toasting some buns for some sloppy joe.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be good groceries.
As long as you put some Duke's mayonnaise on it, right, hussy?
I bet it's chilly this morning. running a little faster this morning because we had a little rain last evening.
Need more light, I think.
I can see you just fine.
Oh, okay. Good. How do I look?
Fantastic.
Bravo.
What are we making?
Sausage, egg, and cheese bagel thins.
Okay.
A little slice of tomato.
Sounds yummy to me. So our camping neighbors have strobe lights. Fun times. Good morning, doggy. What are you doing? Do you like camping?
Looks good.
Little girl?
See if I can do it better. Whisking.
What are we having this morning, Chef Johnson?
Ham, onion, and cheese omelet. Garnished with sliced tomatoes and a side of sausage if you want.
Yep.
Come on. Come up there. A little bit of
Chopped ham and onion?
a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit.
Mmm.
Go left-handed here. Oh. A little gloppier. Oh, look at that. Failure. Oh, I gotta call that a catch and release issue. You caught and didn't release.
A little sticky.
Maybe a little more of a problem. Cleaned it too well.
Oh, no.
Total failure. That'll be mine.
All right, I'm gonna go get the sausage.
Okay, bring it out and we'll plate up and enjoy.
Breakfast. And mimosas. And you.
Yeah, top of the mountain is just totally engulfed in cloud.
Every time I look down, we're going 6. Yeah, this is a nice break.
Little bang bang. We'll see how it turns out. Well marinated chickens. A little bit of bang bang sauce. About cologne?
That would be nice. Except they want to get in your sauce. Smells good.
Been smelling good for 2 days. Marinating.
Yes. It's a little hot, huh?
Okay, great. Get the meat cooked through.
A brush would have been better.
You kidding?
Nope.
No, this is perfect. If you feel so moved, Bonnie and I do encourage you all to consider donating to the Red Cross or some of the other organizations that are offering support to those that are affected most by the flooding there in western North Carolina, and not to forget the other parts of the country that were impacted by the Hurricane Helene and its remnants. Remember to like and subscribe. We love y'all.